Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the brand new LG K51. LG has been one of my favorite brands as far as the Android market, although other manufacturers have been more dominant, but LG usually has a great price point to their devices, which is why I wanted to check this one out. So let's go ahead and check out what comes in the box with this brand new device. So first we have the phone. So that's the LG K51. Oh, that's pretty nice. I want to take a look. Let me take a look at the cameras real quick. Cause this looks like a solid device here for a mid-range device. 3 cameras. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So let's continue here. What else comes under this packaging? I've been working with one hand for so long. Still can get used to it. So now we have the SIM card. That's used to connect your device to the carrier of choice. Next, we have the welcome guide or start guide, depending on which phone you're unboxing, and the terms and condition. It looks like inside this package, we also have a SIM tool, and that's the tool that is used in order to take out the SIM card and the memory card from the device. In the box, we have the charging cable. It looks like it's a USB Type-C to a standard USB. And we pretty much use this for transfers or charging. And lastly, in this box we have the charging base. So this box is pretty standard. You have all the things that you need to get the phone rolling and working. It doesn't have any extra accessories or anything like that. But thank you guys for checking this out. Make sure you share and subscribe, and tune in next time on Elder's Touch.